Hi, welcome back to our channel. Baking soda is much more than simply a baking ingredient. It is also believed to be quite beneficial for our health. Let's see what this seemingly ordinary kitchen ingredient can do for our bodies. Number 1. Help reduce acne. Baking soda plays a critical role in killing bacteria, reducing swelling, and helping to fight acne. Mix 1 teaspoon baking soda with warm water and rub on your skin for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse with cold water. Repeat this for 2 to 3 days, then once a week, and you'll find that your acne is a little lighter. Number 2. Whiten your teeth. Baking soda's rough texture can help break down food particles and even yellow stains. Its alkaline properties also help fight plaque, which in turn helps prevent tooth decay and gum disease. You can mix baking soda with toothpaste and brush your teeth for 2 minutes. Do this once a day for a few days, and you will notice that your teeth are a few shades whiter. Number 3. Reduce your dandruff. If you're struggling with dandruff, try some baking soda, as its rough texture helps to remove dead skin. Simply apply a tablespoon of baking soda to your wet hair. Then scrub your scalp for a minute. Do this once a week for a couple of weeks, and you may notice a reduction in dandruff. Number 4. Help eliminate foot fungus. Because of its bactericidal properties, baking soda is thought to be effective against many types of fungi. So if you're struggling with a fungal foot infection, try taking a foot bath with warm water mixed with a quarter cup of baking soda a few times a week, and you may discover some delightful changes. Number 5. Improve skin complexion. Troubled by uneven skin tone caused by dead skin cells and dry tissue, baking soda can help improve the situation by balancing out the acid levels in the skin. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda with rose water and apply for 1 minute. And rinse with warm water before applying moisturizer. Do this once or twice a week, and you may notice a little more evenness in your skin tone. Number 6. Remove sunburns. If you get a sunburn over the holidays, try soothing your skin with baking soda. You can take a cold shower mixed with a cup of baking soda, or you can make a paste with half a cup of soda and cold water. Apply it to your skin, let it sit for 15 minutes, and then remove the dry cream. Number 7. Lighten your hair. As an abrasive natural cleaner, baking soda can help to brighten your hair. Simply mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a cup of water. Then scrub your hair with the mixture and rinse it with hot water. It's best to wash with baking soda 1 to 3 times a week. Number 8. Lighten body odors. Baking soda's bactericidal and hygroscopic properties make it a natural antiperspirant. You can simply make one by mixing 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of water. If you like, you can also add your favorite essential oil to the mixture. Then all you have to do is apply it before you go out. Number 9. Help with smelly hair. If you want to get rid of smelly oily hair, baking soda can help. Mix 1 part baking soda with 3 parts water. Apply to wet hair for 5 minutes, and then wash it off. Do this once a month, and your hair will likely become smoother and fresher. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty and wellness tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.